Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of solutions for systems of equations. It's the standard A.3F in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 45 on the 2025 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we've got this two different equations here. They're both given to us in standard form, and we've got a few options on how we can solve this. We can graph, we can use substitution, we could use elimination, and so let's do this. Let's copy them down. X plus y equals -8, 2x plus 2y equals 10. All right, so if we wanted to, we could just substitute in 0 for one of these, right? And we can kind of get the value. So if we said x is 0 in this one, right, then that would be y equals -8. So then I have a point here of 0, -8, and I can put that right there. All right, and then if I have y as 0, well, then that's going to give me x equals -8. So I can have -8 and then 0. So that's pretty easy. All right, so I've plugged in 2 points. We can also put these in slope-intercept form. We could try to find them, but let's see if I can connect the line here. I could just kind of do it like that. Now, I could extend it. Right now, I'm just going to stop. I'm just going to do it like that, and I'm just going to uh, keep it going like that. If we want, we can kind of now use that and extend, kind of get it to go both ways. Okay, so there we go. That's our first line. Let's change colors. Let's do our second line. And if we put a 0 in for this x, that's going to be uh, 2y equals 10, so y equals 5. So I have a 0.05. All right, so 0 and then 5. And then if I did the same thing, if I'm going to put a 0 in for my y, that's going to be 2x plus 0 equals 10. So that's going to be x equals 5. All right, so if I had a x of 5, y of 0, this is what we're going to get. All right, so if we do a connect line here, let's kind of extend it like this. And we can come back up and extend it this way. And there we go. I might not have gotten the lines exactly perfect. There we go. I'm trying to get that to work. All right. Let's just do it like that. All right. Well, what do we know about a solution? A solution is where we intersect. And how many solutions do we see here? Well, I do not see any solution at all. So I'm thinking it's this. Now, I'm thinking these are two parallel lines. Let's put both of these into slope-intercept form so we can identify their slopes, because if they're parallel slopes, then they're going to be identical. Remember, parallel slopes are identical. And so then we're simply going to we're going to subtract x from both sides. This first one is going to be y equals -x minus 8. Right? We've got this -8 as our y-intercept, and we got just a slope of -1. The second one here is going to be 2x plus 2y equals 10. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides. So that's going to be 2y equals negative 2x plus 10. And then we need to divide everything by 2. So it's going to be y equals -x plus 5. So look, that does make sense. I've got a negative x. So really it's a -1 slope. And identical slopes are parallel, which means they're never going to touch, which means there is not going to be any solution at all. So this is correct. And we can, if we were to do elimination, we would see that both the x and the y would disappear. So our answer here is D.